Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2564 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to the turbocharger boost control position sensor circuit, and a problem here can directly affect how your turbocharger controls boost. If the problem gets worse, you may experience loss of power, poor acceleration, low boost, reduced fuel economy, or limp mode. What does P2564 mean? P2564 stands for Turbocharger Boost Control Position Sensor circuit low. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the signal from the turbocharger boost control position sensor is lower than the expected range. This sensor tells the ECU where the turbocharger's boost control mechanism is positioned. Depending on the engine, this can be connected to a wastegate actuator or a variable geometry turbocharger actuator. The ECU commands the turbocharger actuator to move to a specific position, then it checks the sensor feedback to confirm that the actuator actually reached that position. If the sensor signal is too low or doesn't respond correctly, the ECU can store P2564. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2564, you may notice: check engine light on, loss of engine power, poor acceleration, low turbo boost, slow turbo response, engine hesitation, poor fuel economy, reduced throttle response, and sometimes the vehicle may enter limp mode. The problem can become especially noticeable during hard acceleration or when driving uphill. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. The turbocharger boost control position sensor is normally mounted on or near the turbocharger actuator. Depending on the vehicle, it may be integrated with the wastegate actuator or variable geometry turbocharger mechanism. The sensor is connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because the turbocharger operates in an extremely hot environment, the wiring, connector, and sensor can suffer from heat and vibration damage. The most common causes of P2564 include faulty turbocharger boost control position sensor, damaged sensor wiring, short to ground in the signal circuit, broken or melted wires, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, poor sensor ground, sticking wastegate actuator, sticking variable geometry turbocharger mechanism, or ECU problems in rare cases. A damaged wiring circuit or failing turbo position sensor is one of the first things you should check. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional turbocharger or boost-related trouble codes. Inspect the sensor wiring carefully. Look for melted insulation, broken wires, or wires touching the exhaust or turbocharger. Check the electrical connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Use a digital multimeter to check the sensor's reference voltage, ground, and signal circuit. Then use a professional scan tool to compare the commanded turbo position with the actual turbo position. Also make sure the turbo actuator moves smoothly without sticking. How to fix P2564: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to ground condition. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor electrical connections. Replace the faulty turbocharger boost control position sensor if testing confirms failure. Repair or replace a sticking turbocharger actuator. Repair vacuum control problems. If your vehicle uses a vacuum-operated actuator, clear the trouble code. Then perform a road test while monitoring turbo position and boost pressure. Final result: fixing P2564 will restore proper turbocharger position feedback, improve boost control, restore engine power, improve acceleration, improve fuel efficiency, prevent unnecessary limp mode, and help your turbocharged engine operate smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.